A lot of you guys have problems with finding profitable leads consistently, but you need to understand that this business is a numbers game. This is what I'm going to detail to you right now, because I believe that the most important skill that you need to master if you want to be successful at this business is actually being able to go through leads fast. And if you want to go through leads fast, you need to you need to build your eye to be able to do it fast. So this is what we're going to talk a little bit about today. Before we start, I am now offering one-on-one coaching. You guys know this. So if you want to actually book a call with me, link in the description, look at my availability, we can build a plan to help you overcome what issues you are facing right now, as well as help you build a plan to actually scale your business. Second link in the description. Join the Discord server, because it's the best place to network, and networking is going to help you reach your goals. You're going to learn so much faster, and this journey is just way more fun when you have friends that actually do it with you, all right? If you have friends that you can talk about, that you can talk with about this business. So, as I said, I talk to a lot of beginners, and even in the live call, not in the live calls, when I used to do the live calls, and when we used to do way more live calls, and then when we were doing live sourcing calls, and then I used to watch your guys sourcing, and even in the coaching calls that I do when I look at you guys sourcing, one of the main issues that I always see is that you guys are expecting to just look at a few products and find a lot of winners. This is not what's going to happen. You are going to need to look at a lot of products to actually be able to find winners. And so, if you want to look at a lot of products, you are going to need to go through data fast, to be able to disregard like bad product fast, and look at good product in depth but fast, so you are able to move to the next one as soon as possible. Because a lot of you guys think that you are going to open 5 products, you are going to look at 5 products, you are going to scan one website with tactical arbitrage, and you are going to find enough leads for a whole week, for a whole month, for a whole year. This is not how it works. You need to go through a lot of product. If you do reverse sourcing, and you should watch my previous videos when I was doing reverse sourcing live. The last ones that I did, just type Chris Mangunza reverse sourcing on the search bar, or Chris Mangunza storefront stalking. You will find the videos when I was live sourcing, and you are going to see how fast I go through data. And I explained multiple times, and when I use SellAmp, for example, and I'm sorry because I'm not sharing my screen right now, you guys know it, I'm on vacation, I'm traveling, it's harder for me to record my screen right now. But like you guys know, and you guys can actually look at my eyes. What I do is I look at the sales rank, I look at the keeper graph, and I decide if I open this product or not. And so you want to do this fast, and then go through products fast, go to Google fast, see if you can find anything, and then dive deeper from there. But the name of the game is that you need to go through a lot of data. And so if you are slow, you are not going to be able to go through a lot of data. And if you are not going to be able to go through a lot of data, you are not going to find a lot of leads. This is like, you really need to develop, like you really need to try to, of course at the beginning, it's going to be way harder, but like the more you do it, the faster you're going to become, and the easier it is going to be for you to find new leads. Because I know that a lot of you guys, and even myself when I started, at times you feel like discouraged, and it's not easy when you work for like 2 hours and you don't find shit. The only reason that you don't find shit is either because you are way too slow, and which is okay because it's the beginning, but you need to try to pick up the pace and like go faster, or you are starting from a wrong storefront if you are doing reverse sourcing. And so same thing with tactical arbitrage. The reason a lot of people do not like tactical arbitrage is because they say that there's a lot of mismatch, a lot of you need to sort through a lot of bullshit product. Of course, like it's not some magic, all right? You are going to need to sort through data, all right? You may run a search and have like 200 results, and like only 1 or 2 of these products are going to be good, all right? Because there's going to be a lot of mismatch, there's going to be a lot of products that are out of stock. You just need to go through these products fast. That's it. That's always what it's going to be, all right? Of course, do not how to say that? Do not disqualify a product too fast, but like you are going to need to go through data fast. You are going to need to look at product fast, and this is what's going to make you good at sourcing. Of course, at the beginning you are going to be slow. It may take you 2-3 hours to find a product, or you may not find a good lead for a whole day. It's okay. It's fine. It's not an issue. Just keep practicing, and once you can start finding leads daily. Once you get in a groove, like you can find, not necessarily daily, but if you go through a storefront, or if you go through a whole list of storefront from a nasting, you can find 1-2 leads. The only thing that you will need to do next is pick up the speed and find, like, select better storefront, and just, you know, get better at this, at selecting good storefront. If you do reverse sourcing or going through data fast, selecting the right sales to source, not to source, but to scan if you use tactical arbitrage, like, pick up the speed. And this is where you're gonna get, like, this is really the most important thing, right? Because you probably know everything already. You just need experience, and with experience, the speed is going to come, and you're gonna be way better. All right. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video, because I release a new video every single day. Watch these videos on the screen. If you need coaching, link in the description. Link for the Discord server in the description. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.